this video clip, I'll be showing you how we will lay out our sides. If we take a look at our cutting diagram, we see that our right and left side comes out of one sheet of plywood. Now, since we're building 3 of these, we're going to do this for 3 different sheets of plywood. Now, on this sheet of plywood, we have these knot holes that don't look very good. However, this is only on one side of the plywood. On the other side, it looks very nice. So when I cut out my sides, I'm going to make sure that the piece with the knot holes on it is facing in, because nobody's going to ever see that. Now, the length of my side is 58 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that at 58. Now, the depth of my dresser is 20 inches. However, I'm going to put 3/4 inch trim on the outside of it. So I went ahead and set my table saw to 19 1/4 inches.